Okay, siya po. Baufile diagram masyo na. Bagutung LM it's parallel to NP, ne? Then baufa N angle DC, this angle here, baufa 70. Then they said A angle BV, this angle here, ne? So they're saying that you should show that this line here it's parallel to this line here. That's what you are required to prove. So if you can show that this angle, elegantly this angle, then once you join those lines are what are parallel to each other. Or if you can show that this angle, elegantly this angle, or once you join those lines are what are parallel to each other. Yeah. So meaning that another thing, if you can show that this angle here, elegantly this angle, it means when you join these two lines are parallel to each other. So meaning that your span how mukiging is to show that this angle and this angle are equal, or is to show that this angle and this angle are equal, or is to show that this angle and this angle are what are equal. Sharp. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. How can we find angle X? Angle X, it lies in triangle DCA. Like what? So I can find my X by using that triangle there. So I can simply say, okay, sharp, 70 plus angle C1 plus angle X. Something in February. 180. Why? Triangle, right? Okay. Do I have C1? Do I know angle C1? But then I can find my angle C1. So my angle C1, you're gonna forward. So angle C1, you're gonna forward. Why you're gonna forward? Vertical. So it's vertically opposite angles. So no so can I link angle C1. Okay, why get to me like one chart, which angles should I prove? Okay, avoid getting angles stay necessary. Like for example, N1. Let's look at N1. Even if I get N1, it doesn't help me. Like what? Like this angle here. Even if I get it, it doesn't help me. So avoid getting unnecessary angles. Okay. Then angle X, you're gonna link 180 minus 40 minus 70. So what's 180 minus 40 minus 70? Okay, 70. Okay, so meaning that angle X, you're gonna link 70. Sharp. Then how can we find our Y? Our Y, it lies on a straight line. Check AN. AN, it's a what? It's a straight line. Right? Then you have what? You have a line that crosses that straight line. So meaning that this angle plus this angle, all the other sons of right? 180, right? So meaning that when I say 110 plus y sons of right? 180, then it's angles on a straight line. Right? Okay, sure. Then automatically it says y elegantly 180 minus 110 right? 7. So sure, na I want to okay sharp while x galga. Then EF it's parallel to what? To TS. Why am I saying EF it's parallel to TS? Because while x dalga, then check what do they form here? An F shape. Then what's an F shape? Corresponding. So how does it apply? Converse.
We can say corresponding angles equal.
Oh, you can say corresponding angle equal, then ke lebaka la you are done.
Mr.
Yeah.
So, Pilipina, ano